What's good, YouTube? This Kai Trade is back with another trade recap. So today I did take 2 trades. My max is always 2. Usually I take 1. But today, honestly, it was pretty simple. We start on the daily. Obviously, so the daily bias for today wasn't bullish, so I was looking for a bullish setup. Then we go down to the hourly. This is a 5-minute gap that I marked out. This isn't so relevant. We do have I marked out this up on the hourly. Have that. The session low was pretty high, and then we had these resting highs. So I was kind of like, my idea for today was to take out resweep London, tap into one of these gaps, and then push up to take these highs. Obviously that didn't happen, but upon open we did go up, take out some of these highs, come back down. Oh, there was also news at 10, so I waited for that. News drove price down into this 5-minute gap. We closed out at this 1-hour gap, so let's remove that. This 5-minute gap held. We then started to push up. I also do have both charts up at the same time. So at that point, we saw London low again, tapped into this 5-minute gap, pushed up, closed above through here. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Order block, breaker block. And I was comfortable taking an entry around here, but on NQ. So on NQ, I was waiting for some extra confirmation. The price was a bit choppy here. I just wanted to see this gap get inverse. We did here. Then I zoomed in onto the 1 minute. Alright, so I zoomed in on the 1 minute. We had this gap here. We get tagged in down here. Create this swing. Then we close through here, forming an order block as well as a breaker. Breaker didn't hold so much, but I sized down today. Like I said I was gonna do yesterday, so I was able to have a wider stop to the actual low, and then my projection was slightly above these highs, or to these highs. Obviously that didn't happen, and that did end up getting stopped out. As you can see, there was a clear supply zone here. That's when price started to consolidate. We just didn't have the volume yet at the time for it to push down. So when it did push down, it stopped out. And that's trade idea number 1. And I usually don't trade after 12. But since I was in that trade for a very long time, so I just decided to keep looking at the market. Volume picked back up at 1. Price dropped a lot. And then step back out to the 5-minute. I just waited. Price jumped back into this gap, closed through. Took my second entry here. Waited for the retest. We retest, closed through. Then I'm able to move my stop here. And my target slightly below these lows, which we end up hitting. So yeah, like I said, today was pretty simple, not short. It was a long day, but simple strategy, simple trades. Yeah, that's it. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.